For a basic chocolate sponge cake, in a deep bowl, add an egg, a cup of castor sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, a cup of powdered milk, and half a cup of milk. Now beat all these components so well till they are incorporated and forms a smooth mixture. Now add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder to your mixture. Beat your mixture again until it goes smooth. In the end, add a cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix your flour and other components with the help of spiral blades. Spiral blades will help you in not over-mixing the flour, which makes the cake moist. Mix the flour over low speed until it gets incorporated. Place your cake pan and line it with parchment paper and dust some flour to it. Pour on your cake batter. Tap it to remove bubbles from it. Take a deep pot and put in an old cake pan which you're not using and cover it to preheat. After heating it for 5 minutes, put your cake pan to it. After 40 minutes of baking, poke in a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, your cake is done. Top it with chocolate sauce and enjoy. Good to see that you liked the recipe. Thank you.